Hi there. Um, we are back again with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, June the 5th, 2020. This Sudoku heavy. The question is, how heavy is this Sudoku heavy? So let's get started. Alright, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 1 should be here, 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, so no 1 there. One place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. And all the ones I used, I can see. Yes, alright. I see a pair in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. So no 9 and the 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. I mark them because those are pairs, 9 and the 4. That means the other 2 numbers, missing numbers in this big square, are the numbers 6 and the 2. No, 2 we have. 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3 are missing. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 goes here, we have a 6 here, and the 3 goes and there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, great. 2 numbers. Alright. Then which number can I use? Yes, I see a 6 in this row. 6 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. How about the first row, 3 missing numbers, 1 of the missing numbers is 4, I see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The other 2 numbers in the first row are the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. Two numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now we yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then yes, in the first column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or could be there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number? Yes, in this big square we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 2 in one of those two boxes. In the middle row, we have a 2 over there. So in the row below, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And now okay. Seven in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be here. We have a pair here in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We see here 6 and the 9. So no 6 and the 9 in these two boxes. We have the 6 and the 9 in this row. So no 6 and the 9 in those two boxes. So the 6 and the 9 are left in these two boxes. So now we have 4 missing numbers. I know those two are the 9 and the 6. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. We have 2 numbers left here, the 5 and the 8. In the last column, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for a 5 should be there. These two numbers are the numbers 8 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And I see all the 8s are used. Yes. Okay. How about the number? These 3 numbers. The 6, the 4, and the 2 are missing. Yes, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers? The 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, 7. We have a 7 here. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 6 and the 5 are left. 6 and the 5, remember that, because in this row, then 1 number left, 6 and 5, this should be the number 9. 9 is left, yes. 1 number left in the first column for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. But I see here 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. 9 and 4. 9 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. That means 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. And the final number of this big square for the number 4. Finish in 14 minutes. Is this a Sudoku Heavy? I don't know. All my all my skills is improving, but I think a heavy one should be more than 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So I don't think this is Sudoku heavy, maybe a medium Sudoku. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku video, great. Give me a thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget, subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Rest me to say thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra Sudokus. Keep on puzzling, people. See you later, and thank you. Bye bye.